In this video, we are going to learn about what is a web hosting and which web hosting is best for beginners and why. So let's start with the video. Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Jay's Guide. This is your host Jay. Let's start. Let's know what is a web hosting. So web hosting is the space that you buy on the web server to store your website's file. It allows your website to be accessed by everyone on the web. So guys, buying web hosting in the sense you are buying a place on the server to store all your data and files which can be accessed by everyone else. It is like a cupboard at your home wherein you store all your clothes and everything. So you're buying that place on the web server. Now let's know which web hosting is best for beginners and which web hosting you should go for being a beginner. And I'll also tell you why you should go for that web hosting. So let's go to the computer screen. Now let me open few of the most popular web hosting website. So I'll just open first SiteGround. So if you're asking for any suggestion for web hosting, most of the people probably will suggest you this web hosting like SiteGround. Then I will open Bluehost. I will also open Green Geeks, GoDaddy, and Hostinger. So guys, these are the web hosting provider which is you can say which are the most popular web hosting providers. So I'll just tell you which one you should go for and why you should go for that web hosting. Now let me tell you what to consider while choosing a web hosting. So being a beginner, what are the things you should consider while choosing a web hosting? First thing is, guys, do not invest lots of money at the beginning on the web hosting. So do not go for the web hosting which is expensive, guys, because at the beginning I want you all to learn the fundamentals of creating website and blogging. Learn everything first, then at any time you can just switch your web hosting to some other web hosting once you learn the fundamentals and all, because you never know whether your website is going to work or not. So do not spend a lots of money on the web hosting or anything else while you're just starting up. So try to invest money as least as possible, guys. Do not invest lots of money on the web hosting at the beginning. Second, do not go for web hosting plans which has one website's capacity, guys. So I'll just tell you why you should not go for a web hosting plans which has one website's capacity. Because guys, for suppose you have created a website in a particular niche, but that niche is not working for you and that website is not working for you, then if your web hosting plans has multiple website capacity, then you can just create one more website with another niche and you can just continue with that website within that web hosting plans only. But guys, if you're going for one website plan, then what is going to happen is, if your niche or website is not working, if that particular niche or website is not working for you, then you will have to purchase one more entire web hosting plan and you have to create one more website. But if you're going for a website plan which has multiple website capacity, within that web hosting plan only, within that money only, you can just create one more website with a different niche and you can continue with it. Third, go for the web hosting plan which has free SSL. So let me tell you guys what is SSL. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, protocol for web browsers and servers that allows for the authentication, encryption and decryption of data sent over the internet, guys. So it is kind of security certificate. Even Google recommends website to have SSL certificate. If you do not have this SSL certificate, then your website is not secure. So you must have SSL certificate on your website. and you should go for the web hosting plan which has free SSL certificate, because if you're buying SSL certificate separately, then it may cost you lots of money. Always try to go for web hosting plan which has free SSL certificate. Let me take you to the browser again and show you which one you should go for and how much it is going to cost you. Let me check the web hosting plans for SiteGround. For startup plan, they are giving only one website. So as I told you to not to go with the plan which has one website. So for Bluehost, okay. So for Bluehost, basic plan is giving one website. So we'll go for the plus plan which has unlimited website and free SSL as well. So in Grow Big, in SiteGround, we have to go for Grow Big. And in Bluehost, it is plus. In all the plans, you will have some different kind of benefits. You can go with all the features of that plan. And Green Geeks, it is Pro plan, which is giving unlimited website. In GoDaddy, click on hosting and so it is giving only one website. So this plan has unlimited website, but there is no free SSL for this. So you'll have to purchase the SSL plan separately if you're going for this plan. Now go to Hostinger and scroll it down. Yes, okay, you can go for this plan which has 100 website and free SSL certificate as well, and free domain also will get it with. So this plan is good. So you can just click on add to cart. We'll just cross check what are the, if you're going for yearly packages, yearly plans, then how much it is costing us for each and every web hosting. So you can see that 119 rupees is for 4 years plan actually. So being a beginner, do not go for longer period guys, because you'll have to first understand the fundamentals of each and everything. So first understand, learn, then you'll get to know, you will understand with time which web hosting is best for you and for which plan you should go for. So for 1 year plan, it is costing us around 3,200. So in GoDaddy, we'll go for this one. Which has more than one website capacity, which is Deluxe Linux plans. We'll go for 12 months plan, and it is costing us total yes, so you have to add SSL certificate as well, as I told you, but for GoDaddy it is costing us 8,987 rupees for SSL certificate and your plan. So let us check on Green Gigs. So for Green Gigs, for unlimited website and free SSL, we'll go for this Pro plan now. Click on Get Started. So I'll just enter my domain name, Men's Fashion Expert. Click on Next. This is just to check the plans. So that is not for yearly plan. So if you're going for annual plan, then let me see how much it is costing us. It is around $96. So let us convert it into Indian rupees. So it is around 7,000 rupees. It is costing you around 7,000 rupees for green gigs. And for GoDaddy it was around 8,000 some changes. And let me see for Bluehost. For unlimited website, I will just enter my domain name now. Click on next. Scroll it down and select the yearly plan. So it is costing around 89.40 cent, $89.40. So if you're removing this, after excluding everything, how much it is costing us? 40 cents. Let us take it as $90. So it is around 6,607 rupees for Bluehost. Now let's check for the SiteGround. Enter the for 12 months it is costing around 119. Yes, it is 119.88 cents. So let us take it as $120. It is around 8,810 rupees. So guys, SiteGround, Green Gigs and GoDaddy are way too expensive. It is costing more than 8,000 rupees guys. But Bluehost is bit cheaper than these web hosting. So I believe Hostinger is the best option for beginner guys. Because when you're just starting, you don't know anything, right? You can't just invest lots of money where you are not even aware whether it is going to work or not. So just give a try with Hostinger and learn the fundamentals of blogging and creating websites and everything. After learning everything, if you feel like it is working, you can just anytime you can switch your website from Hostinger to any other web hosting provider like SiteGround or Bluehost or Green Gigs if you feel that they are the better options. But while you're just starting, I personally recommend you to go for Hostinger because I'm also using Hostinger. So to purchase the Hostinger plan, click on checkout now. Now enter your name, your email ID. So guys, I have already purchased the Hostinger plan. I'm just showing you how you can make the purchase, okay? Then enter your password. Click on create account and checkout. Then you have many payment options guys. So you can go any of them. So I'll just show just UPI. Then I will enter the address details here. And GST is optional. Click on continue with payment. Click on UPI, and you can either pay using the UPI ID here, or else you can just click on the scanner and then you can scan it and pay it directly from here. So the best hosting provider for beginner is Hostinger, and the second best one is Bluehost guys. So I will just make the link for both the hosting available in the description of this video. So you can just click on the link and check out from there. If you found the video was informative, then please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.